What is up, y'all? If you're new to the channel, thanks for subscribing. Been pretty busy lately. We did get some stuff going on this weekend. A little bit of cruising, a little bit of racing. I got out late on a couple of the nights, so I didn't really get to get a lot of the shenanigans and stuff. So we got a little bit in there, mostly just cruising around and kind of showing you guys what's up. We've got more and more guys that join us every weekend, and I'm really looking forward to getting some of these guys on the street. You know, obviously with the COVID-19, you know, we don't have a track to race at, so we're going to be as safe as possible. You know, get it out, just go cruising, whatever we can do. People want to get some hits off, we get some hits off. So this footage is just for you guys that have subscribed, and thank you. We got a lot more stuff coming up. A lot more people are ready to get down. So we got this short little video for y'all, and by the end of the night last night, we locked in another $800 race between two pretty heavy hitters, both over 1,000 wheels. So definitely looking forward to filming that one. So you guys stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, like the video, share it for me. I'd like to get this channel moving, you know. So if you like the video, please share it, like it, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, y'all.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide.
COVID-19!
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide.